In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a job alert on LinkedIn. Whether you're actively looking for new opportunities or just keeping an eye on the job market, setting up a job alert ensures that you'll receive notifications about the latest openings that match your preferences. So let's get started on making LinkedIn work for you. First, make sure you're logged into your LinkedIn account. Open up your web browser and go to linkedin.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. This is typically a small version of your profile picture. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your LinkedIn experience. On the left side menu, you'll see a section titled Data Privacy. Click on it. It might seem a bit tucked away, but this is where you'll find many settings related to job alerts and recruiter interaction. Now, within the Data Privacy section, locate the option that says Signal your interest to recruiters at companies you've created job alerts for. This is a crucial step. It not only creates job alerts, but also tells recruiters that you're open to opportunities without making your job search public to your current network. Make sure you turn this setting on so recruiters are aware of your interest when new positions become available. Next up, click on Manage Job Alerts. This setting allows you to fine-tune the specific types of jobs you're interested in. In the search bar, type in the job title, skills, or company you're targeting. Think of this as setting your job radar. You're letting LinkedIn know exactly what you're on the lookout for. But we're not done yet. You'll also want to specify the location for these job alerts. Go ahead and type in the country or even a more specific location if desired. This ensures the jobs are relevant to where you want to work. The final step is crucial. Make sure to turn on the Set Alerts option. This action will finalize the process and you'll start receiving notifications about jobs that meet all your specified criteria. There you have it. You've successfully set up a job alert on LinkedIn. By following these steps, you'll stay ahead in your job search and get notified immediately when opportunities align with your career goals. Thanks for watching, and I hope these steps help you in finding your next career opportunity. Be sure to keep adjusting your alerts as your preferences and career aspirations evolve. Good luck with your job search.